Howdy, you guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, me and Dad are going to do 2 tonight, and then the rest will be uploaded in the morning. From now on, the videos will be uploaded sometime during the day. A lot of you guys said, like 70% of you said you would rather have that happen than being late at night, which is understandable. So, me and Dad will record them late at night. I'll upload them when I get up or when I...
You can always please both your parents. You do some during the day, or do one at night and one during the day.
Yeah. So...
Fans, I said you're fans.
So, this one
many followers
is another pervy video of Barry's. This girl literally says he's looking at my tits.
I think that's what she said, Steve.
And Barry flips,
Tries
goes,
to start a fight with the
yeah.
dude. Is this the type of dude? Anybody, if anybody that's affiliated with any event out here is actually watching this, whether it's no names, whatever it is, do you want a dude like this at your event?
And listen, the only reason he emailed off is because he has fucking Super Steve or Super Dick or whatever the fuck his name is.
Super Saiyan. And you can tell
or is it
Saiyan,
OG or whoever the fuck it is.
It was Super Saiyan.
I mean...
He didn't say that. No, Super Saiyan didn't say nothing. But Super
no,
Saiyan
he's trying to stay the fuck away from Barry.
I mean...
Which is understandable. So let's get into this. I mean, this dude's such a perv.
Record, Brown County Fair for.
I mean, I would have. If that was my lady you were looking at, I would look at your bitch ass when you said what you said. I'd say, you're looking at her fucking tits. You better put your fucking phone down.
I would have said, get fucking moving, dude. Keep moving.
And then you can either choose to take it there, or you can just walk the fuck away with your gimp ass.
Well, that's the difference. I mean, nobody should stay there and argue and fight with somebody. Either put your hands on me or get moving. I mean,
look, they're not even walking together, but they're great friends.
Because you probably don't want to be with Barry. I bet every place you go with this man, he walks behind you or in front of you.
Yep.
He probably hates walking beside you.
Because you smell.
That's the way you smell. And because of shit like this, man. I guarantee you, Barry, if he was alone, he wouldn't have said a fucking word to anybody.
You know how many times, Barry, you probably got your friends arrested for shit that they didn't need to be involved in?
He's only doing this because there's 5,000 people around. Nobody's going to let a fight break out with the 5,000 people around. It's just not going to happen unless you just walk up to somebody and hit him.
He wants a friend like Old Jack. Now he can go run his mouth saying, "This dude's not gonna fuck with me," and you gonna take up for your friends.
All that ever did for fucking me was I would be the one that ended up in jail in the drunk tank for a night, and then I'd have to fucking walk home in the morning with a split head from the drunk tank after he coerced me. And nobody, no friends, my ass, they wouldn't be able to pick me up from jail.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? That's what I mean. Brother, supposed to be my brother-in-law. I mean, and not Steve Highsmith. My sister's fucking old man.
Excellent, man.
Yeah, excellent man, whatever. Baby daddy, sperm donor, and everything.
Now watch, y'all see how Barry's keeping on the action, right? See now how he's under the ground right now? Now watch this.
Now camera's at eye level. Because he's watching what he's filming.
Camera's at eye level. Keep that in mind. Hey Mako, y'all need to do this one. Do y'all want to?
But he's going to prove a point for us here in a minute too, so. About video last time. See what I mean? You see how he's talking to that dude like, come on, Rob, come on, let's go. Come on, Rob. Watch this. Look at this. Look. Look how he's got the camera. Now listen.
He's staring at my tits.
Did you say something?
She either said he's looking at my tits or what the fuck is he looking at?
Barry, you're a bitch.
That's what I'm saying. Listen, that's what I was saying a minute ago. Does anybody that's hosting an event want an asshole like this at your event? Everybody's having a good time.
And listen.
I mean, come on, man.
You really don't want to mess with.
And listen. Anybody that's a YouTuber would handle that situation totally different. First of all, why'd you train it on her for? Why wasn't it on the ground, Barry? What action were you filming?
Why can't you be a decent human being and be like, I'm sorry, I wasn't trying to catch you on film. If you don't want me on film, I apologize. I won't film you. That's what I mean. You're just I love this shit because you show what kind of person you are, dude. I mean,
And look, why don't OG or whoever the fuck that is with you, why don't they want to be near you, Barry?
I'm telling you, man.
Why do you gotta keep saying, come on?
Why ain't since the day Barry mentioned coming to fucking Indy with him to jump us, why hasn't he been on any of his videos talking about anything about us? Why didn't he say anything that day? Like, I'll kill them motherfuckers. I mean,
exactly.
Because Barry's a one-man army. These people don't want involved in shit like this, dude. I'm telling you, man. That dude's probably got a family and shit, and he don't want to be in it. He probably sees Barry for what he is. But he probably uses Barry at certain times. And uses Barry for certain things.
We're going to play this, and Barry's going to go to where he was standing with that girl, and pay attention, folks.
Pay attention to where he goes and stands at. What I said last night in the other video.
Hey, people.
Barry, you're a bitch. The only reason you mouth off because you're a bitch, bro. You proved that shit at the fucking spring run in the grass. You're a bitch. The whole world's seen it.
Only a bitch does what you just did.
We own you, bitch.
I guess he's not going. Come on. I'll show you. Come on.
You hear what he said?
That's what I mean. He don't want to be running around with him. He don't want no trouble. He don't want to go to jail if nothing else. I promise.
Well, that's what he says.
That's
what he says.
It's a great cross.
When they cross this, listen. He said what you said. Listen.
I was here last night. Remember? Come on. You want to see? Let's go. Come on. Come on.
You hear what he said?
I don't want to get arrested. Exactly. Nobody wants trouble, man. People that go to events, most people want to go have a good time, enjoy themselves.
Barry's still living in high school. That's why he thinks everybody's fucking playing with him and ain't nobody playing with him.
I mean, that's what I'm saying.
Hey, Barry.
Now watch where he goes. You know where he went last night and how they filmed. Watch what he does now. Exactly what I said he could have done last night.
Hey, Barry. Now, so do you know we're not playing now with that little letter you got in the mail?
Ryan's talking about going to court. I'm telling you right now. I know for a fact.
Yeah.
And be like,
we all made the call, Barry. I know 2 people, me included, that made that call. And that lawyer was very fucking interested.
She. So now you know he ain't bullshitting.
She didn't know Ryan had any assets, Barry.
Right. She didn't know they got a YouTube channel, that Ryan's got 35 fucking cars, that he's out here spending fucking crazy money on Barry, supposedly, Barry's words.
Look where his camera's trained.
She didn't know Barry got a settlement. But it don't matter what Barry got, but it matters when Ryan goes to court, so I got to pay my dad's bills. No, you don't.
Like, look how his camera.
He went to the other side of the fucking boat.
But look what he's filming.
Where I said he would have went last night. If you
the action's over here.
If you wanted the action, you'd have been down there on the fence. Dude.
Look what he's filming. I don't want to hear that's where the cars are, because the cars are over there and back over here. He's on them 2 young girls.
Now, and they'll walk here in a minute and watch what he does.
Watch how Barry follows him. You're a perv, Barry.
I mean, you should have been respectful. You shouldn't have filmed her. You was filming her, dude. Women don't dress like that for old creepy fucking dudes like you to be filming. Look. There it goes with the camera.
There he goes following him.
Somebody could argue he was following the car, but
no, he wasn't.
No, he wasn't.
I don't think these people have your back like you try to make it sound like they got your back.
They're not going to, man. Over what? Us outing him as a pedophile? So you're saying it's
not
okay?
Not even like that. Like in a situation like in
what's he filming a car? He's back at that chick again.
But that's my point. Like in this situation, I doubt that he wasn't in any event with you ever again. You just tried to get him in a fight. No, you didn't, because he probably watched your stupid ass get fucked up.
No, he probably would have got involved because Barry's his friend, and that's usually what a friend would do.
I would stay the fuck out of it.
There's a big difference between that right there and wanting to fight us. There's a big difference.
I would have been like...
All we're saying is Barry's a pedophile and he's a racist.
I would have been like, that's between you two. Now, if somebody gets in it, I got your back. But until then, that's between you. You handle your business. Now watch. Hey Barry, what are you filming? Car's over here. Superb.
I mean,
He probably does have.
reach too hard back there, but most people would say. But
He's probably got cameras in the bathrooms everywhere.
he's probably him or Ryan. No offense, I don't care if it's not, but you probably got cameras. You put on your shoe and walk around the mall.
You can't see it real good, then why the fuck did you go over there? So you creep on the girls over that you saw over there? Yeah. Yeah, Barry. I've only been to one of these in my life, and I mean, it's cool, but I'm not into it really. Maybe if I was in the shit, but beating the fuck out of cars. You think Barry? You think you'd be against this type of shit, man? Because you're trying.
You've been practicing at home. Look at the older mic though.
Look at that. You think he'd be against it?
Every time you get the bumper knocked off.
You think he'd be against this, dude? Because he's in them big old 70s tanks. Like the Furies, the Cadillacs.
This is impulse here. This is
You think he'd be against the demolition derbies?
there's different types of derby.
Hey, hell, you think he'd be against it?
Small car over here.
Hey, you think he'd be against it? There's Dodge Caravan. They're fucking up your mom's car. Man, when you're forced to sell that fucker, and somehow dealt with that. You know what'd be fucking funny? Is that you're forced to sell it, and your brother or your sister comes and buys it off of you and takes it to the crusher and crushes it. Videotapes it. That would be fucking hilarious.
I promise you this much, baby. It hasn't caught on yet about you getting racist to the bright ears to get out to the masses. But when it does, that's going to be one thing. But until that point, you're not going to be able to just sit back and have a windfall. Anytime I got a chance to hit you in your pocketbook, I'm going to hit you.
Oh, he nailed it.
Why should you just sit back and do it for free when everybody else has to get out and fucking work and do every fucking thing else? Hustle, fucking.
Oh, he's on it now.
Hey, Dad, I'll go work at Kroger's in 2000 to now, and I'll pay your bills.
Split the fucking bill. Everybody has to pay the way, man.
Yep.
When you walk around with a camera in your hand and somebody don't want to be on film, you be respectful of people. You're like, what the fuck, man? I'll be damned if I can be holding the camera on some lady's tip.
Yeah. They'd be down to gravel.
Right, if I noticed that, I would put the camera down. Because I wouldn't want the drama from it. You know what I mean? It's creepy.
Listen, you should do unto others how you want this. So if
So what are you
you
doing now, Barry? Why did you move the camera over that way for, Barry? I mean,
listen, if Barry had a girlfriend and Barry probably would. I know.
if Barry had a crackhead, he wouldn't know what to do. She'd smoke up all his crack, but wouldn't touch his poo-poo.
But with that being said, Barry wouldn't want anybody looking at his old lady and filming him. He'd probably make a big old stink about it. Therefore, he should pay that woman with as much respect as he would want.
People keep going to act like Barry's the biggest hypocrite. In fucking 46 years, on everybody I've run across in my time, I've never run across anybody as bad as Barry.
Dude, Barry, if somebody told Barry they didn't want to be on camera, Barry would out them on camera.
He's outed 20 fucking people on camera. From baby killers to fucking...
His own son?
Right, I mean...
That one, Barry, is what she really seemed interested in, just saying. Oh, so he went and spent $1,000 on his dad? Really? I'm going to have to look into this. Two of us so far. And I'm sure there's been many others, Barry. If you were smart, you would have took your measly fucking 10 grand that you got.
What kind of man knows his kid owes that bill and accepts gifts like that from his kid?
And videotapes it.
Well, accepts the gifts. I don't care about the look. I'm talking about in real life. What kind of man or woman, a mother or father, knows their children are in debt, being sued, and is okay with them going and spending a bunch of money on dumb shit? Especially for them.
Folks, I know how Barry got in that wreck. He was practicing for the demo derby. Nah, Barry, let's tell the truth. You were a couple Long Island Iced Teas trying to recreate that fucking accident you had in Mach Nunn, right? Barry, come back. You can bend over me. Yeah, one of the girls looked at that dude and said, "Hey, there's some creepy ass old dude over filming." And the dude looks back. Folks, now you know where Barry gets all his cars from. The demo derby.
There's still a truck out there. The truck is right here. Stop having to get off the fucking they have truck demos. They have
Why are you following her, Barry? You notice that? When she starts walking, he turns the camera facing her.
He's facing her now. I mean, I can't tell you. That's conjecture. That's not there.
What's up? Hey, guys. Watch out. He's bringing the big load around. Go down through there. Get the hell out of here.
Barry, you're a fucking operator. Why don't you go up there and get it for him?
Gonna get in there and scoop off.
Barry, I run one of those. You run one of those, Barry. Huh, you gonna run one of those, Barry?
Alright, let's go. Alright, guys, so we'll do a heat race after this. Hope you guys enjoy it. We'll see you in the next one. Beaver Sun Garage forever and the rest never. Check out my friend's Actions Auto Parts, JB Phillips. Check out my buddy and Scott's Pea Shop.
Well, I'm the shop, right? he bolted.
I guess that was the final. I thought they had a couple heat races, but obviously not.
See that shit? See how whoever the fuck that dude is? Just he bolts.
Storm's coming in. Top 90, so we're gonna get out of here. We don't want to get caught in this rain. That might be coming in. So
Hell no, bro. You don't want a bath.
Check out my friends and remember to like, tag, and share.
Barry gets caught in the rain, he might disappear.
Tell a friend about Beaver and Son Garage.
He might go to where he should have went in the first place.
And
And
we'll
down
see
the
you on
road.
the next
Hey, you guys. I want to say this.
And
Stay tuned.
don't forget Jamie Phillips.
Because I can stop this. So stay tuned for later tonight or tomorrow morning. There's gonna be a meme pop up, and it's Barry when he gets in a fight by himself, and it's fucking Barry. Dad, what'd you think of it?
That's Barry. It don't matter if he's with 10 people gets a fight. The minute he gets fucking slapped around a little bit, he's gonna be out here.
When, Mommy? Come on, let's go. Alright, we're gonna do one more. And then we'll do a couple more.
Make sure you follow.
I couldn't stand the stink in there if I went in his lobby or his apartment, you know what I mean? Them guys are nasty, you know that, right? And black people don't take a bath. Oh my God. They get these what they call ringworms in their head. Oh my God. And talk about lice. Oh my God. And the women are just as nasty. Oh God, no. I was like, I want to. Oh. They stink that bad? Oh. And their clothes are probably all just, ugh, you know? Oh. Yeah, I had one of them. We opened up the playpen. We took out the baby maker and opened up the playpen. Yeah. Winnie. We've had somebody take parts off of it since it's been sitting there. Oh. Yeah. They better be watching it. I catch anybody out here, I'm going to shoot them. He just bought a grill, and I think the grill.
Is that why Ryan don't have a mom around? That's David. Yeah, you got your ass. I see what you know, Brian. You look like a walking amputation, baby. I mean, I'd be embarrassed about it like that.
Tell these motherfucking people, what the fuck do you mean by that? What do you mean by he looks like a walking amputation? What is your meaning behind that? So you can't say, oh, they're editing my shit, making me say these things. No, Barry.
So, I'm gonna jump off here, Barry. This proves even further you're a piece of shit.
Attack him. I didn't do anything to him.
I know, but the language.
Anytime, boy! Anytime! Come on, Dad, let's go. This is in the 70s, Dad. Coward!
Scared me.
Come on, Dad, let's go.
Hey, it takes a bigger man to
He's got
walk
his camera off.
bigger man to walk away.
Coward!
Kind of weird you want to fuck a 25-year-old. What's your mouth?
Come the fuck on, motherfucker!
Sir, go on, please. Go on, there's a bunch of kids in here.
Please, Dad, come on, let's go.
I'm not going anywhere.
Come on, Dad, come on. You come to my show? You run, you goddamn cocksuckers? Yeah, you, motherfucker! Please, Dad. Come on, Dad. He's right. There's kids. Come on, Dad.
Attack them. I didn't do anything to them.
I know, but the language.
Anytime, boy. Anytime. Come on, Dad. Let's go. This is in the 70s, Dad.
Scared me.
That kids. One beautiful mom over there. She looks really young.
$10 for that radio.
She might even be the mom. She might be the mom's other child. Beautiful lady though. Beautiful girl. So here's what we're looking.